Myself Soumya Rahul, an online OET trainer. This is a very small introduction regarding OET. So let's see what is OET. OET is Occupational English Test, which was actually developed to test the healthcare professionals regarding their English communication abilities. And actually OET focuses on four main areas of the language, like we know, that is reading, writing, listening and speaking. And what you have to do is you have to demonstrate your abilities in understanding and answering about the general healthcare presentations and like consultations. And you should also write accurate professional letters which is relevant for the profession and patient condition. According to the patient history, you have to make it in the letter format and you have to write it. Third thing is you should speak effectively and appropriately with the patients. Coming to the history of OET, actually OET was developed by Professor Tim McNamara in the University of Melbourne, and it is now owned and produced by the Cambridge Box Hill Language Assessment. It is a venture between Cambridge English and Box Hill Institute since 2013. Coming to the version of OET, actually there are 12 professions who can attend OET, who can write OET, and nursing is one of them. And even nursing professionals can also write OET. And the OET was last updated in September 2018 by the Cambridge Box Hill Language Assessment. Updation was mainly in the listening and reading criteria. Listening and reading criteria. And listening and reading will be same for all the 12 professions, and the difference comes in the writing and speaking task. So if you want to apply for OET, you can log on to the official site of www.occupationalenglish.test.org. You can log into that and you can schedule your exam date and you can register in the particular website. Coming to the test format and content, actually the duration of the test is 2 hours 45 minutes. 2 hours 45 minutes. So for each task you have a fixed time for each task. So first listening actually it takes around 45 minutes, and for listening you will have 42 questions in that, and you have to listen to 2 audio clips you will be listening to, and while listening the audio clip you have to fill your answer in your paper. So it may be a conversation between a doctor and a patient, or any between the two healthcare professionals it can be. So while listening, the audio clip will be played once only, and you have to fill the answers according to that, and you can carry a black color pencil. Pencil can be carried. You can either use a pencil or pen, but it is preferably you can use a pencil to write the exam. Second thing means reading. Reading actually it has again 3 parts, and it is around 60 minutes will be taken for reading. And reading also contains 42 questions which has to be completed within 60 minutes. Third thing is a writing task. You have to write one letter, then one patient history will be given, and you may have to write a discharge letter, referral letter or informal letter, whatever it may be. It is the task will be given for you. You should read them. It is the time for writing will be, it is just 45 minutes. So first 5 minutes you can go through the patient history and you can read it, and you have to select what are the relevant thing that has to be included in the letter. So you can utilize your first 5 minutes, then start writing with the next 40 minutes, and there is a format for letter writing, so will be discussed later. And the last one is the speaking. There will be 2 role plays will be given for you, and you will be playing in the role of a nurse, and the opposite person will be either a patient or a patient relative. That will be the task is depends on the cue card given for you. So that is a 20 minutes for speaking. Actually you have to play 2 role plays, and each will be for 5 minutes. So 3 minutes prior to that you will be given a preparation time. You can go through it, and you can with your pencil you can mark, you can write on that is whatever you have to ask, and you should complete the task whatever it is given in the cue card. So that has to be done. So this is a 2 hours 45 minutes it will be taken for the entire test. So the scoring will be from 0 to 500, in between you will get a score, and according to that score the that is what you call, the grades will be given A, B, C plus, C, D and E. So this is the basic things regarding OET. So if you want to join the courses, please click the below button or apply button, and you can join for the courses what we offer. And thank you.